It's time once again to show off more LED experimentation results, and the system du jour would be Top Union Top Touch, otherwise known as NuTone SelecTouch or Sierra Micro Touch. And of course, my #1 recommendation for dimming LEDs, Philips WarmGlow. Also happens to be the one that works best with this system. I will dim them down, let you see what they look like. There's no interference with the current smoothing, so in other words, no strobing. They got a great range of dimming with the warm glow effect, and they turn all the way off. I'm gonna run the fan through the automatic demo program real quick. For whatever reason, this demo program seems a little more randomized than IntelliTouch. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you.